You entered reality shows, आपने झलक किया, उसके बाद आपने और भी reality shows किया, आपने खतरों किया,
Yeah.
आपने Big Boss किया. The first time you did Big Boss, you had to leave because it was your sister's wedding.
Yeah.
So, and your mom, I think, is an astrologer.
Yes.
She
Yeah.
had predicted Shilpa's win for Big Brother. Is that true?
She had predicted that Shilpa will make a very big name for herself internationally when Shilpa was a kid.
Any
So
such prediction for you?
she has lots of predictions
Yeah.
for me.
Would you like to share?
No.
Do you believe in Nazar?
Yes.
But you know, when you did Big Boss, new avenues, I think, must have
Yes.
started for you.
Absolutely.
And you showed yourself. You were vulnerable. You weren't hesitant to show your real side.
Yeah.
And we've seen you cry, laugh, joke, everything. How did that experience shape you up as an individual?
See, Big Boss also came into my life during COVID, where a lot of people were sitting at home with no work. So I wanted to make the best of that opportunity. And circumstances were such where I thought maybe it was better to, just get into that house and show the world who I truly was, because I was so fed up of being judged during that phase. Um, oh my God. Yes, Big Boss, that show gave me a lot in the external world. I feel it also took a big part of me within, in my internal world. Because, yes, they have, it is a show where it brings out the best and the worst in you. But when I came out of Big Boss, gosh, I needed, I think, therapy for a year because I couldn't understand what the hell was going on around me or how to react in the correct manner. Because see, that's a very volatile environment
Yeah.
that you're in. That's not how you would react or be in the external world. But you
Right.
kind of get used to that. And for me, I was in that house for about 5.5 months probably, or six
Yeah.
months.
After the OTT, you also
Yeah,
did the
I went
main
into the
Big
big,
Boss.
big
Yes.
boss. So my reality and fiction were, I think, was kind of just getting merged, intertwined with each other, causing a lot of confusion in my head. I didn't know how to be. And I think I was attacked so much in that house that even when I came out of that house, I felt like I was constantly sitting with my armor, waiting to, just like defend myself. You know what I mean?
I understand.
So, it, I think, mentally and emotionally was very tough for me when I was in that house also and when I came out of that house also. But I mean, I say this again, that show did a lot for me in the external world in terms of work.
यू नो व्हेन यू आर ऑलवेज स्पेशली जब आपको बचपन से कंपेयर किया जाता है, बचपन से आपको अपने आप को प्रूव करना होता है, यू हैव बीन डूइंग दैट ऑल योर लाइफ, देन यू गो टू अ शो, वहाँ भी आपको वही करना पड़ रहा है.
On every reality show,
Like-
on Jhalak Dikhlaja, I remember when I got the show, I remember the person who got me the show said to me, "You are not going to win, you know that, right? Because you come from a privileged family." I said, "Okay." So then I said, "Okay, fine, but let me try." So I said, "Let me charge a lot then." So I gave them my number, it worked, and I did the show. But I knew somewhere deep down that maybe I couldn't give a sob story that the world out there needed to hear. But that does not mean that I did not give my all. I know how many injuries I had on that show. I know what all I broke, including my nose, on that show. So I was dancing 10 to 12 hours a day. I barely spent any time at home. That's how much I gave to that show. And then the result of it was so disheartening that I was like, okay, whatever. So whenever there's an audience vote, I'm always told that, oh, but you come from a privileged background. I always think to myself, does that mean I've not had my ups and downs in my journey? And who's to compare how bad my low was? in my life, you know. Even with Big Boss, the amount I was attacked because of the background I came from, I was like, is this really happening? When they asked me to go into um, the bigger OTT, not OTT, sorry, the bigger
The bigger
Big Boss,
TV
yeah, the
Big
TV,
Boss.
Big Boss. I actually said to them, what is the point? Why are you asking me to go in? You're not going to let me win. I'm not going to win.
You knew that.
I knew it. But then I was like, okay, this is work, Shamita. You know, just do your thing now. This is a show where you have a chance of winning hearts, um, and just be the person you are. And that's exactly what I was in that house, because I stood my ground. I was very clear about right and wrong for me. Although gray is something I was introduced to in that house, things, my world was very black and white. You know, there was no in between for me. There was always right or wrong. Um, but then again, I mean, I think the kind of love I got from the kind of fan following that, you know, I got
Yeah.
because of that show, it made the journey worth it.
Absolutely, you got so much love. And you know, जब मैं वो show देखा करती थी, of course, because I have to cover and everything. So when I was watching that show, I personally learned a lot from you. I'm not kidding. And the way you had so much clarity in your thoughts. Whenever you
Yeah.
said anything, you said it with so much clarity.
Yeah.
No room for misunderstanding.
Yeah.
And I really appreciated that.
Thank you.
Yeah. So in your case, you're saying the privilege tag is working against you.
Sometimes it does, but I can't be ungrateful and say that
Yeah.
always it doesn't work, because there are many places where it makes my life easy as well. So I guess there's good and there's bad.
There's good and bad.
Yeah, there are many things that got very easy for me because I had Shilpa Shetty as my sister as well. Not in terms of getting work, but I'm saying in the way I was treated as well,
Yeah.
or what I was exposed to in the industry.
Yeah.
So I'm grateful for that.
So when the production house, the directors, the producers, they know that you belong from a certain family, they dare not, be not nice to you. I think that is what it is, what you're trying to say.
Yeah, I mean, no, when I say not nice, I was not exposed to, a casting couch or any of that. Let me put it that way. So in that sense, I'm very, grateful, because I know a lot of people have to kind of be exposed to that part of the industry
Yeah.
that probably exists in every industry.
I agree.
Yeah, there was one person who tried to cross the line with me, but I think he naturally met his end. So I don't want to give him that importance.
Okay.
Yeah.
With Big Boss, you also found love, almost, let's say. Or did you think back then it was love?
Please understand, when you're locked up in a house for so long, I think it's only natural for you to form these kind of relationships, because you look for support. You kind of, maybe in your weak moments, look for that closeness somewhere, which is only natural in the outer
Which is very
world.
natural, yeah.
But it would not have happened in the outer world, because we're completely different people, right? So yeah, that's all I will say. It's a chapter that is erased
That's
in my life.
I really like the way you deal with situations. Seriously. So, when, like you mentioned, after the house, you came and for 1 year you took therapy. Can you tell us what exactly was bothering you? Because therapy, no matter how much we talk, people still don't really know that every person needs to take therapy.
Look, I came out highly anxious. I was already suffering from anxiety, so it kind of made it worse for me. It's not something that I can just easily explain, because there are too many intricacies that I may not explain correctly sitting here today. But I think also I became a little aggressive when I came out. And I think the house did that to me because I was constantly fighting. Imagine practically every morning waking up to people uh, screaming at each other over things as small and stupid as toothpaste.
Yeah.
It's not a great environment. So it disturbs you mentally. It disturbs you.
Even the hosts were accused of being biased towards you, Karan Johar in the OTT and Salman Khan in the TV.
I don't know what was going on
Yeah,
in the outer
outside,
world,
yeah.
but to me, where I was inside, I didn't see that. I didn't see that happening. Then I can very easily stand up for myself and say, oh shit, I think I was the most attacked in the house. Why can't you talk about that?
Yeah, I clearly remember there wasn't a
In
single
every
day
way,
where
there was not every new person coming to this house was attacking me. So why let's talk about that.
especially for the age.
It's ridiculous.
It's ridiculous. I agree. But that is done, and you found part of yourself. How did your family help you in that period?
Um, it took a while for them also to kind of understand what was going on with me because I couldn't understand what was going on with me either. So uh, I think I probably also distanced myself a certain amount. Let's just say I think I'd lost a part of me that I kind of needed to find again because I came out so tired, like emotionally tired. So I didn't have the strength to deal with anything else when I came out. And as soon as I came out, I was very busy with work. I was constantly doing events. So I was literally on autopilot, you know. Thank God for that.
Thank God for that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Have you found yourself now?
of course, I'm good. I'm in a happy space.
What makes you the most happy?
Small things, yeah. Uh, I'm happy when I paint. I'm happy when I spend time with my two little babies,
Yeah.
my Siamese cats. um, I'm happy when I spend time with my family, when I eat yummy food. I'm happy when I travel, when I shop. Um, I'm most happy when I work. Ghum phir ke I come back to the same thing.
To
You know what I
work.
mean? And I've realized that shit, I am someone that needs to constantly be working, doing something, discovering more about myself or contributing in some way. I can't just sit at home and do nothing.
Agreed.
Yeah, I can't do it.
To watch the full video, click here. पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए यहाँ क्लिक करें